You know, I know where that cat's going. And hey, I'm right. There he is. Right where I thought he'd be. So what we need to do is we need to clean this seat. Now this is a bench seat for a 1984 Ford F-150 that my dad is working on. And he asked me if I could reupholster the seat, didn't he? Yes, he did. Yes, he did, and you're ruining it. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Oh. Anyway, our lovely little kitty has decided to make this his, his bed. Now, I bought this Bissell pet hair eraser vacuum because he has been, and his brother over there, has been taking liberties with our couch. And I thought I'd make a quick review to see how well this thing does with heavy hair on this velour seat. Now, you're going to hate me in about 3 seconds. All right, here we go. There we go. Kitty be gone. Let's see how the pet eraser does on this automotive seat. Look at that. It actually does a pretty good job. It's got a little beater bar on the end. It's probably going to need a little additional, love, tender love and care, but I mean, it's not working, you know. It's not working. Here we go, this way. Pet eraser. Yeah. I think prevention. An ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure, as they say. Look at all that hair it's picking up. That's about an entire cat's worth of hair right there. Look at that. I'm impressed. Look at the mess you made. I think it's clogged up. And to empty it, you just pull it off. But yeah, it's starting to get a little clogged, so we're going to clean it out. You know what really impresses me about this vacuum is it actually has what looks like a metal impeller. And it's got these contacts that mount right on the bottom that interlock with the canister. And they send the electricity to the motor that drives the beater bar. It's a pretty nicely engineered little vacuum. I mean, for what I paid, I think it cost me like $50-$60 or something like that. I'm actually quite impressed. I mean, it doesn't say Dyson on it, so it'll never be cool, but it does a pretty good job. Look at that. It is new. Now, luckily, they didn't scratch it too much. Well, at all. I would have moved it by now if they were scratching it, but fortunately that hasn't really been a problem. He's watching me clean up his mess. Look at that. That actually works really well. The battery's starting to run down. Gotta charge it up. That's okay. There she goes. So you've already used it a few times to clean the sofa, so it's not like I just charged it, you know. Once I get this seat assembled, I'll be able to get a much firmer surface to clean up, and I'll probably take like a lint brush to it, or an actual pet hair brush. But this is a good test for it, to see what it's really capable of doing, you know. That's not bad. But now it's definitely, it's like, kill me, kill me, kill me, kill me. There it goes. Oh. But you know, that freaking worked. I would buy another one. If I had to do it all over again, I'd buy this vacuum again. If this, let's say this thing, somebody broke into the house and stole it, I don't know. I would definitely buy another one. So anyway, I just thought I'd share that with you guys. The Bissell Pet Hair Eraser handheld vacuum. It is a great little vacuum. What model is this thing? It's a model 1782. The one place they're going to get you is on this little filter here. You can extend its life with an air compressor or a vacuum to clean it out, like a shop vac or something. But that's where they're going to get you. Otherwise, a great product. And look at how, oh my, wow, it just cleaned the whole thing off. I'm impressed. Jeez. So you got this little mesh filter that goes on top of that. I took the whole thing apart and cleaned it out. The power head. Now there's also some attachments that go on this thing. You know, little crevice tools and such. But you know, if you buy this vacuum, you're probably not going to use those attachments. This is the power head. It is detachable. You don't have to use this. There's a little belt-driven. There's a little belt in here. This thing comes off real easily. There's a little lock. You just use a coin. You can open this up. You can pull the beater bar out, and you can clean it if you have to. And real simple, like just like a full-size vacuum, really. Pretty happy with it. Used it a few times. Kind of doing some last-minute cleanup, you know, as guests are coming over or whatever. Good little product. Well, that's my review. Thank you for watching.